I swear to God, if this camera quality is shitty, I'm gonna kill myself. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be going to show you guys some thrift store shit that I bought. And I'm really excited because not a lot of people know about thrift stores, and actually this suddenly just came up, like so many of them. Instagram pages, like 1,000 Instagram pages, super cheap, like we all should buy them. To be honest, I only bought 3 things and I made a whole video out of it. So I'm actually just please watch my video because I spend a lot of time stressing on it. I still haven't picked out the outfits. I'm just gonna randomly pick out stuff, like, you know, I'm some fashionista or whatever, but yeah. Okay, so one of the things that I got is this, I don't know if it can show or not, but it's this dress from Zara. From Zara. No, it's not Zara. What am I making up? No, it is Zara. It is Zara. And it's actually, I got it for 40 dirhams from this thrift store called Dainty by Gem. But I'm gonna try it on and let's see how it looks. Okay, Dubai's top most wanted influencer has tried on the dress. I think it's nice, it's pretty, it's a little loose, but it's supposed to be loose. For 40 bucks, it's great. My mom is like, you can wear it with trousers, like a Pakistani dress. She kind of ruined it, the name of it. But anyway, it's nice, and yes, I'm happy. Next. The second item I got from the same store is this jumpsuit. It's from, where is it from? Zara. It's from Zara, and actually I didn't buy it, my friend bought it. But I don't think it's gonna fit me. I actually took it from her to record this, but I don't think it's gonna fit me. But let's try it. It'll be really funny, I feel like, when I wear it, like, because it's kind of big. Like, it's that big, and I'm so short. Okay, firstly I would like to apologize for the camera being tilted. I had problems. Oh, and thumbs down, this outfit does not look good on me. I look like a clown. Now time to jump. And I tried fitting myself in the camera frame, but I don't know how to work this thing, so I'm like acting like Spider-Man, bending, and yeah, I don't like it. Doesn't look good, but it'll fit my friend because she's tall. It was a medium size anyway. I got this for 40 bucks, if I told you guys. And yeah, you have to keep folding it because it looks like you have a huge torso, like the top thing part is really big. And bye. Next outfit. Let me show you guys the third item I got. This also my friend bought. So it's a t-shirt. It's a shirt from some shop called Expression. We got it from this shop called Thrift Ventures Dubai, and this was for 30 dirhams. It's pretty good, cheap, and yeah, I really like it. And like, let me style it. You guys won't understand how it looks. Okay, so I don't know why I wore the bandana. Now I'm posing like the Indian fashion influencers. You have to crawl, you have to act like a spider, and you have to bend like a weird person. So anyway, the shirt is nice. I wore it with like a grey top which I bought from New Yorker for 9 bucks. I threw the bandana, never mind. And I wore it with like these formal pants I got from Namshi. I like it, but it's really not my style. It's my friend's shirt anyway. So, but it's good. It's Gucci. This was the worst. The camera fell down, and like I almost wanted to like cry because I was so frustrated with like the professional camera. There's this other t-shirt that I bought from Thrift Ventures. It's a Coca-Cola shirt, and I don't know where it's from. There's no tag, but it's just a printed t-shirt, and it's really pretty cute. I like it. It's really nice. It's cute. I really like the red. It's like bringing out the colors of joy. Yuck. It's bringing out the color, and I really like it. So I'm gonna wear it, and let's see. Actually, I love this shirt. And I bought it last week. I wore it on my Instagram also, so if anyone of you follow me, you guys will know. I wore it with mom jeans, although these mom jeans don't fit me anymore. They're a little tight. I got hurt, lol. They're a little tight because I gained weight, but I really like them. I wish they were a little looser so it would look like a cute outfit, but it's looking cute. It's for 35 bucks this top, and it's good, it's worth it. So you should check the shop out. She's very nice and she delivers it to you for free if you order for 70 bucks. Now we go to the next outfit. And there are two more outfits which I did not buy from the thrift store, but I really wanted to put in this video. Is this shirt I got from Brands for Less. But Brands for Less is something like, you know, where they have like really good clothes, branded clothes and stuff, and they are pretty cheap. So I got this for 40 bucks. It's from a shop called Reserve, but it's really nice. I really like it. It's really cool, so I'm gonna like wear it. I feel like it's not looking that great when I show it like this, but let's see when I wear. I know my title name says items under 40, but there is this one thing which I really want to wear. It's from Forever 21 and I want to show you guys because this is the only thing which is like more than 45 bucks. This for 60 dirhams and it's really nice, and I'm gonna wear this too. I feel like it's really cute. Okay, I love this brown shirt and I really love these pants. These pants actually I got from this shop called, I forgot, oh my god, wait. Yeah, so it's from Monk, M-O-N-K from Dubai Mall, and this shirt actually has really cool I don't know, some coloring on the thing. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. I am feeling myself and slippery so far, so but whatever, it looks nice. And I also tried those pants which I got from Splash with that top and this black top. I think it's really cool. This black top is really nice. I wore it 1,000 times on my Instagram. Stand still please. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, it's nice and the sun is going down and I am done with this outfit. And the top actually was for 50 bucks I think from Namshi, but the point was to show these pants. Ha ha ha, bye. I literally record like so many times and this stupid iPhone is not recording and it's pissing me off. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit the please subscribe and hit the bell icon because I get really happy, and it's like 6 p.m. and I'm recording and I haven't eaten lunch and I'm really hungry, so like at least for that sake. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you guys had fun. I will be posting next Saturday or Sunday. Bye guys. But honestly, like, look how cool these pants are.